Okay.
We catch the fish the name tilapia today. Tilapia. They had a subbone on the back. You be careful, slowly. Not wet inside the shoe, the post.
He do so good.
We are the local people.
Yeah, professional.
Yeah, more better.
I got you.
Woo!
Oh,
Yeah, baby, look. Yeah.
Good. Fishing man, not so big.
Yeah.
Philip, come on. You doing some of the corner here, Philip? No. Some around the corner. You take your fish, you take it. You take one. Yeah, take your hand inside. Maybe. One? No?
No snails.
Yeah, move. Yeah, some of the corner. Some of the corner.
Over the corner. Oh, got one.
One, yeah. Your fish you catch today. Not my father.
Good job.
Good job, man. Oh, very good.
Woo!
Here, Philip.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hello. One fish. The fishing tool in my tool is special, unique in my tool in Hoi An.
Yeah.
Because in Hoi An, not so many older people that can make the bamboo chop here. My
Oh,
father
wow.
very difficult.
You guys are
Slowly,
professional.
Philip.
Get back here. It's so
Get back here.
With the fishing tool today, we show you it's really the life of farmer in Hoi An, my family life. So when we have the rice here, when we're planting, we have the water inside, the pig inside also. The pig
Wow.
natural. And when we have the rice, we check out the water. We need the rice for machine come. So
Oh.
when we check out the water, the pig follow the water, come down the small channel. And we come there with the trap, bamboo trap here, we do fishing, we cut it for eating. But when the pig in the channel there, it's big size than more here.
Yeah.
We use half kilogram and more. Chicken is small size.
Oh, okay.
We use it for the tour of the game. Look like the game, we show you how to cut it. And when you finish, we keep back here for another tour. We not kill it.
Okay.
When we want to eat things, we do in the right here, some the corner of the river there. Big
Okay.
size, big size. Ooh,
Woo!
yeah.
Good
Wow,
job, baby.
Yeah, nice picture. Oh, fishing man.
Crab. Ooh.
Đấy, con nó rụm hay cô đồng đó?
Cô đồng.
Không, nó là cái dục chỗ khó, cái đừng có bãi rồi đó. Bãi đây, dục lên bà đây, đừng có chọn.
Yeah.
One more?
yes.
Oh.
I caught one.
Fishing man, we find fishing man today.
Good job, baby.